In this problem, you've got a situation where several different people, 3 other team members, came up with an equation, and they all have 3 different answers, it looks like. But I'm here to point out to you that really the answer to this is very similar. If 2 to the minus x is this formula, that is the same as 1 over 2 to the x, right? Whenever you have a negative exponent, just move it to the bottom of a fraction and change the sign of the exponent. So the minus x became a plus x. Clearly, if that's equal to this, then that's the exact same thing as you see in answer number 2 here. So these two are the same. These two are the same. What is another way of saying 0.5? Well, I covered it up. But 0.5 is another way of saying 1/2 to the x. I just changed it from decimal format to a fraction format. So this also is the same thing. Now notice this x as an exponent is only with the 2, not with a 1. But really, what's 1 to the x? If I distribute the x to top and bottom, right? Because if you had, if you had 3/5 squared, you would square both and you get 9/25. You got to distribute that square to both. Okay, but if I were to distribute the x, 1 to the x, well, 1 to the anything is always going to be 1. Even 1 to the 0 is 1, so I don't need the x as an exponent. 1 to the x is going to be equal to x. I'm sorry, 1 to the x is going to be equal to 1 all the time, and then 2 to the x stays in the bottom. So really, this third one is the same as this one, as the same as this one. They're all 3 the same. So not trying to be a tricky question, but I guess it kind of is. They're all 3 the same answer. They're all 3 correct. All your team members all have the right answer, just different ways of saying it.